Hello YouTube! Time for another boring unboxing video. This is for wait, maybe I'll surprise you. Let's open it. Aha! Stuff. Oregon 14-inch chainsaw blade or chain. This, I've got plans. A 14-inch saw bar. That goes with the chain. And finally, a SKIL 20-volt grinder. Let's open it. So this is a SKIL PWR CORE 20-volt brushless grinder. Okay. We have a charger. We have a PWR CORE 5 amp 20 volt 5 amp battery. We have a USB adapter that goes on the battery, so you can use it as a backup power source. We have a handle with tool. And a 20-volt brushless grinder. It's kind of heavy. That surprises me. It's no Makita, but I like this. Look at that. Oh, I can't even open it. Oh, there we go. I guess we'll see how long that lasts. Not having to use screws. It's not a bad idea. I am going to do a test video of this later on. Let's see. The battery has 2 bars. I'm gonna charge that. Let's see if it'll turn. I have no idea what the RPM is, but when I do a review of this, I'll have all that information. That's actually surprisingly heavy. It's almost as heavy as my corded 4.5 inch Makita. In fact, I'd say it was heavier. All right. So that's a SKIL 20 volt, 4.5 inch brushless angle grinder. And got instructions. Ooh, what's this? Got a big fat grinding disc. Alright, that's the unboxing video of the SKIL 20 volt brushless cordless angle grinder. Alright, bye-bye. Stay safe. Think ahead. Be wise. Bye-bye.